How many Holliday branch points are produced during DSB repair? A1, B2, C3, D none. The correct answer is 2. You have two circular chromosomes that are undergoing homologous recombination. The resolution of Holliday intermediate will give rise to A4 smaller circular chromosomes, B2 smaller circular chromosomes, C1 larger circular chromosome or 2 smaller chromosomes, D3 same-sized circular chromosome. The correct answer is 1 larger circular chromosome or 2 smaller chromosomes. What is the base incorporated by Paul eta against a DNA CPD lesion? A at, B GC, C GG, D A. The correct answer is A. Single-stranded nicks can be repaired without any loss of genetic material by which of the following processes? A MMR, B NER, C recombinational repair, D NHEJ. The correct answer is recombinational repair. Defect in which of these genes produce an increased propensity to breast cancer? A MTHF polyglue, B PKC, C BRCA1, D XPB. The correct answer is BRCA1. Choose the endonuclease that can cut double strand of DNA. A MUT-H, B RUV-C, C EcoRI, D S1. The correct answer is EcoRI. Which factor helps in generation of chicken foot Holliday intermediate? A Rec-A, B Rec-BCD, C RUV-ABC, D Rec-4. The correct answer is Rec-4. Which factor in the resolve sum drives branch migration? A RUV-A, B RUV-B, C RUV-C, D RUV-Z. The correct answer is RUV-B.